4-0.
Ito, laban natin ang Batang Rasidia versus Batang Karamais. Takbuhan agad ang labanan. Mukhang maraming mga bagong player ngayon itong Karama.
Line ball. Outside.
Sampu rin yan.
Maraming salamat po, Squadro. Mga nagigutom at nauuhaw.
Here by 09. 2 points. 4-2.
Ano ba si Jaja hindi magkokos? Ito ang para sa inyo.
Number 1. Number 91. Number 91. Basket. At may kasama pang foul. Foul number 10. First foul.
Shot of 10 seconds.
First team foul. One shot.
Foul to shoot.
Complete. 7-2.
Basket 6-2.
Rebound by number 27 to number 11. Number 21. 2 points. Number 7-4.
Spending foul number 13.
Rebound by number 10. Number 21. Number 10. Basket count. Foul number 17. Pushy foul. Maitab na kaya. 7-6. Ang ating score. Okay. And to shoot. 5. 3 seconds violation. Substitution.
Foul number 9.
Lamang pa rin po ang Batang Karawang ng 1 point.
Batang Karawang official score 6-2 for the 5 minutes 32 remaining.
Same ball. 14 to shoot. Number 91. Our move. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, kinaliwa. 2 points. Oh, the line ball. Matalas ang mata ni Red. Salamat sa silaw.
Walang score. Huwag nilagay yung score.
To the 9.
Sinong 9?
To rubber. According to shoot. Line number 31. 11-6.
Paldo-paldo sabi sila kaya? Paldo-paldo.
Basket foul Denise Sayas. Second team foul.
Let go.
Body shot. Official score 8-2.
I love you.
Salamat po.
Sino man? Pero kay Mike Karama.
Number 1 on the 3. Number 1. 3. 46. 1 minute. Still by number 4. Kinaliwali naman. Timeout! Batang Rasidia. Remaining 47 seconds.
14-56. Oh.
Basket number 34. 4.3. Batang Alvida. Substitution.
What the heck? Malsaki. And 7.
Timeout Batang South.
2 minutes.
The following
40
turn.
Number 17, 2 points. 21, 6.
JR Global Cargo. Dexos Restaurant.
28.
Cardboard Golden Jewelry. SMDC. And Format Technical Services.
Basket count. Basket count.
Stop. Go.
Who's foul left? Who's foul?
Sir.
91.
Stop.
Stop left. On shot.
Baksaw, Papa Bear, sa Intulitin na.
21-11.
Basket 10-4. 6 points. Lapit tayo, lapit.
Number 17. Yeah. 21. Holding the shoot.
Basket number 0-12-4.
10 to shoot. Number 26. Wala ka. Nawa number 4. 26. Wala pa rin. 22 again. Yun. 3 points. 23-11.
Tulong mo. Una yun, eh.
Number 10. Wala. Follow by number 9. Basket count. Number 4.
Stop.
Stop left. 23-13. Yeah, I'm going free throw. 1 minute, 11 seconds. Wala.
Stop tayo, stop!
Kaya kapag natapon dito.
42.
Still by number 26. Rebound by number 11.
Basket 64.
10 seconds. Shoot.
Batang Alvida, 30 seconds remaining.
5. Good. 40 seconds. 09. Wala.
Foul number 13. 13 foul, second personal foul. 17 seconds.
White ball.
Jong, bakas ka, Jong.
27 seconds. Sorry.
Basket 5, 16.
Lock.
15 seconds.
14 seconds.
10 seconds.
8,
5, 3. And the first quarter, official score, 26-17 in favor of Batang Karama.
Sa kabila,
Okay, pasok na.
court number 2 will be Batang Jazz versus Batang Hamida. Batang second quarter.
Hindi na carry over ano na. Time out, hindi na carry over.
Tayo sa.
Pwede, pagka first and second.
First, yan, pwede. Dalawang time out ko yung second na.
Third and fourth naman. Wala na, hindi na
Kaya kayo pa rin, si Max ang nanlalabas. Bernarte. Magsag yan eh.
Let's in test net.
Sipag!
Number 21 on the tree. Number 21, tree.
Nakadalawa ka na, Joe.
20-26. Babasa 6. Still, almost.
Bigay, bigay!
Ready to shoot.
Good!
Red tayo!
Net ball. Ready to shoot. Ready to shoot.
Cut, cut!
10 to shoot.
Shot number 14.
14 to shoot. Number 14, 2 points.
5,
28-30.
Likod! Hey!
Number 27. Hindi ba pa yung pin? Number 10. Wala pa rin. 27 follow-up. No good.
5 seconds.
Number 21 on the tree. No good. Rebound by.
Good, good, good!
Number 26. Nagdad.
Kuha, kuha!
30-20. Back to 10-point lead. Number 10, wala talaga. Mahalas sa number 10. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Number 11, rebound. Number 11, Diretso. Come out. Balik sa 12.
16.
Pre, kung resyo.
Ayan.
Bernarte! Pre! Ayan, hey, tutun!
Number
To the
24.
board. To the line. Back. Ready to shoot.
Batang Alvin Dolphins will score 11-18 7
10. Still. Number 14.
This round is brought to you by
Number 5.
Okay!
Number 8. Save.
App Store or your Google Store for a chance to win 10,000 dirhams cash.
Ganda ng pasa, number 21. Number 21, 2 points. 32-22. Zero point four to three. Time out.
Ano yung tawag doon?
Karama.
Karama.
Basket count.
Wala naman community.
Time out.
First person foul.
Sa katawan. Mamaya sa katawan.
Ben, baksa!
Bonus yan. 0.4. Complete. 25-32. Number 17, turn around. 2 points. 17.
Yung nasa gitna! Justin!
24-25. Balik ka siyam.
Shoot.
3 points, 2 points.
2 points.
Agit ang white.
7.
Wala tayong white.
7.
Gitna! Gitna!
Kinuha ng bola. Basket again. 29-34.
Ay, bola!
Foul. Basket. 22-9.
91.
Pasak na.
Palit na, sir. Palit.
Pwede pa yan.
Jump!
Ten to shoot.
3.
Five!
Batang Sabo to score the
Coach.
or sa mga gusto mo bumili ng
Foul number 8.
bundle for as low as 700
Foul number 8.
Just check
Ayaw.
out this lang. Available po yan, University Belt, Business Brand.
Wala pala tayong sound.
To the ball.
Kailan ulit tanong ko yan?
Sub. Wala tayong sub.
Stop tayo.
Wala tayong basket. Wala tayong patay eh.
Wala na!
Kahit ano gawin mo dyan, kahit ko ay patay eh.
Duran. So good. Number 13.
14-20.
Bernard Bedarte. 2 shot. 2 points.
Okay, 37 na.
Rebound Bernarte. Marsan. Bernarte back-to-back. Basket count.
Basket count. 0-4.
Ano nga to? Nakaspot ko sa...
Coach.
Kanina pa yun eh.
Foul 0-4, Ermita.
Okay, foul number 4, Ervita. Ball shot. Connect by Bernarte.
Balik ka 10. Wala tayong basket ah.
Score 40-30. 10-point lead by Batang Karama. Hermida. Adala ng bola. Duran. Nice pass. to number 19.
32, Coach Will.
24.
Bilisan mo! Coach Pito tayo, walang buzzer.
Wala ba? Pangalan nito?
14 to
Wala.
shoot.
Got a shot.
Rebound by Coach. Duran.
5.
Pass break to 09. Oh, wala. Rebound by number 13. Pass break to 31. Wala ang bola. Nakuha ulit. Tinira pero wala pa rin. Bernarte. Bernarte talaga. Wala pa rin.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Marsan.
O 17.
Is.
Wala.
Walang foul. Walang foul. Magandang
1 minute.
depensa. Yun lang.
Sabot.
Bad pass
Next sub, next sub.
ng batang Rosadia. Oh, sub.
Justin.
Beranya dadala ng bola.
10 seconds shot.
Marsan tumira ng 3. Wala.
40 seconds.
Talahi.
Huli na yan, huli na yan.
Oh, number 10 nagdi-dribble. Magandang pasa. Yun lang.
30 seconds. Okay.
Op.
Hey!
Same ball, same ball.
Sub, sub, sub.
Oh, sub. Sub, kuya.
Sub, 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 sub. Sub, rep.
Oh, sub. Sige, pasok, pasok, pasok po.
Foul number 00. Stop.
Wala ang sounds tayo. Kaya naman ang bola, putol. Yung jack, yung pinaka-power. Yung mga ng bola, galing
Okay,
doon.
25 seconds lang sa mo.
Bola, yung bola. Yun, 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 yun.
Jong!
Basket 33-14.
Side ball dito, hindi naman to.
1 minute 56.
Jan! Oh, 14 shot lock ha, 14 shot lock.
Oh, 14 shot clock. Pinasa kay number 0.9. 0.9 lang para.
Jan, taas ka Jan!
Coach.
10 to shoot!
Tumira si Sampang.
Wala.
Wala. Rebound by number 10. 09 rebound. Maganda ang pagkaka-rebound. Maganda rin ang depensa. Sampang age for 3. Wala.
5!
Duran.
Ay, wala!
Foul. Si number 31.
27. Hawak lang, Biray!
Oh, first free throw by Bermino. Bermino ba?
Foul basket time number 9. 36.
1.2 seconds ha.
14.
Pasok.
Second personal foul.
Pangalawang free throw. Walang problema. Good for 2. Last 1 second. Minato na lang. Wala na. Pito. Oh, nagtatapos ang second quarter. Score 40-34. Labang po ang Batang Karama ng 6 na puntos.
Hello, Mike Tess, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Mike Tess, hello.
16.
Hello, ba't may mic? Ito kayo.
48 seconds.
White tayo, white tayo, white.
Oh, white ball.
Follow,
Mula na po ang third quarter. Magandang laban sa kabila. Batang Satwa at Batang Aldriga. Lamang na ang... hindi kita.
Karama boy, karama boy. Karama, karama. Galing tayo sa white eh. Karama boy, karama. Karama, karama.
Shot clock 10.
Jan,
Oh,
mag-stay
Karama
sa
ball.
ha.
Ay, putay
Lifting violation 21.6 remaining.
26, no good. 20 again. Pino by
Rebound
09.
Yan.
Pass number 8, pass the play. Uy, hindi na sa loob ng kapiti.
15 seconds. 10.
Tama tayo sa score, Mang Sir.
6 points.
Pero na for 3, no good.
6 seconds remaining.
Number 27 to number 10, layup. No good. 27, rebound. 14 to shoot. 27 na 3. Number 27, 3. Ayan, tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng Batang
End
Karama.
of the second quarter versus score 16-37.
Number 1, teardrops, 2 points by number 1. Number 8. 09. 09, zigzagging move. Up. Traveling. Hindi nabitawan ng bola. Side ball tayo, side ball. Yan, mga kaibigan. Hawakan lang yung mga ticket. Mamaya bobolahin natin yan.
Anong bobolahin mo?
Papa Bear, tigil si Papa Bear! Yan!
Number 17 to number 11, Papa Bear. To number 26, first. No good. The white ball. Inbound by number 8. Pass play again to number 27. Binali pa. Lumabas. 27 again. Wala. Follow up by number 10.
Ayos na. Ayos na.
Eh, miss out tayo.
Nadikit mo agad.
Gutierrez on the 3. No good. Ibang by number 1. There's a foul.
Substitution tayo.
35. Sub left.
Big Dewey, papasok.
Pasok in. Labas out. 14 to shoot.
Sona na lang, sona!
Number 10. Second personal foul, team foul. Second team foul. Sub left. Mena sir, mena. Gonzalez, wala. Second last throw by Gonzalez.
14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Substitution.
Sona na lang! Virgil, sona!
Sub left. 43-39.
Tapos mo na yun, ano, may yelo. Eh, wala na yun.
39.
Ano yung lago? Yung sosyal.
Duran, nagdadala. Duran, magandang pasa sa ilalim. Wala.
Ibang by number 1, Patrick Play to number 26. Antolin, number 26 to number 91.
Dewey. Wala.
Nice pass. Good by number 91.
Sabre.
45-39. Balik po sa anim.
Number 13, that is third.
Same ball.
Stop clock ba to?
Yes.
Kailangan kita dito.
Ano, inaano ko tapos.
Kailangan ko ng pito mo.
Wala ka pito.
Pagka may ano.
Ito siya. Oh.
Number 26.
Kita ko ni Gilligan.
Basket.
Sub left.
41-21.
Wala kang baser? Wala ka baser? Gelatin.
Hindi lang, sir.
Hindi ko pa nakita.
Score daw.
Oscar pa.
Gutom na.
41-45.
Inutom na.
Hindi ko nakita. Lagay mo lang dyan. Tinatanong kaya ako kasi ko nito.
14 to shoot. 2 points, 0.4. 43-45.
Bakit?
Dalawa na lang po.
Oh. Wala na ba tayong iba? Wala na tayong extra?
Number 17, teardrop.
Tingin mo.
Wala. Ako number 10, pass play to number 27. Number 27, side step. Nice assist. Tabla po tayo, deadlock. 4 minutes 24 seconds.
Bakang batang shot mo.
Or time to shoot.
Foul on
Kasi
number
0.4.
Seven.
8.
Number 27 on the 3. Number 27. Churi. Case favor na po tayo. Lamang na po ang Batang Rasidia.
Muli pa dito may hangin. May hangin pa dito kaysa doon. Bakit doon? Uy, ano?
Foul on number
Pick.
Nakapaglaro ka
Sir,
natin?
usog kayo, sir, sir. Sir,
Ha?
usog kayo, usog. Sir, usog kayo, sir.
Sino kalaban niya?
Sir, usog kayo, sir, sir. Sub, 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 sub. Sub, 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 sub. Sub.
Ha?
Warning bench, ha?
basket 44.
Bench
Ayaw muna.
room, warning.
Basket 45, 21.
Number 4. 2 points by number.
Basket double zero, 23, 45.
14. Ay, number 9 pa rin. Sama! Batang Rasidia, case favor. 49-48, 2 minutes, 6
Time out.
seconds.
20-point lead.
Come
Yung 20 lamang dun, sarap naman dun. Ako tumatakbo.
Time out, Batang Albiga official score 25-45, 20-point lead. Back to the voting.
Okay. Okay,
Time out. Sir, time out.
Go tayo.
Pasok na.
Oh, back to the ball game!
Number 27, the 3, no good. Ibang by
Oh,
number
sabihin
91.
mamaya.
Rodman. Pass back to number 14. To number 4. Tumama sa tuhod. 1 minute 39 seconds. Romel, kaya pa?
Basket number 027-45.
14 to shoot.
Basket number
Traveling.
129-45.
1 minute 11 seconds. Number 4, kinaliwa. Ayun. 51-48. Balik. 1 minute.
Foul on number 22.
Basket count. Foul number 4. $51-50. May tabla kaya? 53 seconds. Deadlock. 53.6 seconds.
Ano oras na, Ros? Ano sa tayo? 10:40. Sakto lang, no?
40 to shoot. Number 14, 2 points.
46-29.
30 seconds. Chireen! 27. 20 seconds. Number 10.
10.
15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Bounce basket. 29-48.
Technical. Number 17.
Sino best, best uniform? Oh, din Gigi.
Foul number 3.
Relax lang
Apo,
tayo,
di
mga
Muse.
sir. Huwag niyo sabihin ng init ng panahon.
Second person foul, second team.
2 shots. Okay, wala. Second and last throw by 0.4. 10 seconds remaining para sa third quarter. Five. 20 seconds. Okay. End of the third period. Or third quarter. Official score 55-53 in favor of Batang Rashidia.
Ay, gagawin ko
Back in.
Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter. Last quarter na po tayo.
10 seconds shot clock.
Rashidia. Batang Rashidia. Ang ball.
5 to shoot.
White ball, white ball. Pasok na, sir. White ball. Depensa ang
Ano, Batang Satwa. Official score 29-48. 56 seconds.
Diretso. Napindot na yung base. Next lang.
Kakaway ako.
14 to shoot. Ibang by number 91.
Back to the ball game. 56 seconds.
14 to shoot.
Ano muna, what wrong ka? May substitution, tsaka may time out.
Number 35.
Iwas ka na.
21, teardrops. 2 points by number 21. 57-53. 4-point lead by Batang Rashidia. Kapal ka po. Ang ihip. 21. There's a foul. Foul number 6.
Basket 31, 48, 30 seconds remain.
Second last
Shot to
throw.
14. 17.6, 17 seconds.
Yun. 54-57.
15.
Man.
5.
Basket.
And the third quarter official score
09.
31-48 in favor of Batang
Ay,
Rashidia.
narinig mo, bro. Narinig mo, pito ko.
Sige, sir. Doon lang tayo, sir.
Next game,
Yan na po lang, sir.
get ready, Batang Altawon versus Batang Dera.
First on the 3. No good. Ibang by number 35.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Number 6. Side step. Pass to number 10. Sir, usog konti, sir.
Ano?
Usog lang konti. Follow number 31. Sub rep. Sub.
Last quarter.
Ano na yan?
60. 54.
Basket 33-48.
14 to shoot. Two points by number 21. 62-54. Lamang na po ng 8 ang Batang Rasidia. Steal pa rin ng Batang Rasidia. Number 6.
Wala.
Number 6. Ravel.
Ibang na.
Foul number 27.
Sino nga pala?
Second personal foul.
Tingnan ko nga.
14 to shoot.
8 to shoot.
41. 10 to shoot. Up, there's a foul.
5 seconds shot at double dribble.
Third personal foul.
Violation.
Second team
Meron tayong
foul.
violation.
Maniwala, tinyaset ko nga eh. Matamis eh. At tinitip nung pasok ba?
Foul on number 35.
Ilan eh?
Second personal foul. Third team fouls. 14 to shoot.
Sub rep, sub.
Sige, malayo pa yan.
Dalawa eh.
Unsports Walay Tawang, number 9. 2 shots plus ball possession ng Batang Alriga.
Steal by number 14.
Upo muna.
Number 26. Number 26.
3 minutes.
2 points. 5 minutes. 56-62.
Baba kayo! Sabihin nyo kung kaya, pag hindi, huwag nyo palaruin.
Ibang baon, tumama.
Sub na lang natin, rep.
Puti na ako.
Rep.
14.
Sarap nila, sarap nila.
14 to shoot. Number 4. Wala.
Kuha kayo, kuha! Kuha kayo, uy!
Sarap muna, pahinga muna. May init pa.
Number
Ulo pa
10.
yan. Oo, ulo pa yan. Ulo.
4 minutes. 14 to shoot.
Sarap. Okay na.
10 to shoot.
Inom ka tubig.
5. Ibang by number 17. Steal by number 10. Number 21.
Dalawa shoot.
Ganda naman.
50-33, shot at 14.
Timeout! Batang Karama. 3 minutes, 3 seconds.
8 seconds to shoot. 5. Basket.
Basketball game.
35-50.
Abe. 3 minutes, 3 seconds.
Nasaan yung isa nawawala?
56-62. Just by number 17, 2 points. 58-62. Offensive foul by number 6.
Naglamang na Rasidia. 4. Oh.
Oh, may tawag na tayo, guys. Foul number 25. Technical foul on number 27 for second motion.
Number 17.
Second
Pointing
personal
to shoot.
foul, number 25 of Batang Satwa.
Number 4 on the tree.
Ariga Rao. 27 of Batang Satwa, that is third personal foul.
There's a foul. Foul number 4.
Technical free throw.
Wala pa, second team pause pa lang. Sub rep. Sub.
Hindi mo upo yun? 3 minutes, Judge?
51-35.
Hindi upo. Technical.
We are heading to the last 2 minutes of the last quarter. 2 minutes. Foul 14 to shoot.
Foul number
14 to shoot.
21. Sub.
Point.
Sub rep.
Down, down. One stop, one stop. Tara!
One. 27. 1 minute 30 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Buwan ka! Check kayo!
2 points. 64-60. 14 foul.
Sina.
Wala pa. 13 falls pa lang. Sub, rep, sub. 13 falls pa lang. Kayo, penalty na kayo for foul. Sige, sir. Pasok, pasok. Sub, sub, sub,
Foul
sub, sub.
number 0.
One minute. 50 seconds. 48 seconds. Follow number 27.
Malayo pa yan!
Foul number.
Penalty na po ang Batang Rasidia.
Holding foul. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Shot clock 40.
Sige, last throw. Sir, usog
10
kayo ng konti,
seconds
sir.
to shoot. 5-second shot clock. Second shot clock violation.
Time out! Batang
Time out, time out.
Rasidia.
Time out. Batang Alvida. Warning
Sila
number
lang po ang
18
time out ng
for
Batang Rasidia.
Time
Dalawa
out.
ang Batang Karama by Coach Steve. Hindi ba sa'yo? Sorry, di ka karama ka lang pala. Di ka karama lang pala si Coach.
Time out, time out, time out, time out.
14-second shot clock tayo. Back to the ball game.
Yan o, si Louie. Tsaka si Mike.
.8 seconds.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Penalty kayo pag kayo pumaul. Pag Karama pumaul, wala pa. 13 falls pa lang ang Karama.
Ano penalty? Penalty na yan.
Ang Karama?
Hindi yan.
Oo nga. 10 to shoot. 36 seconds. 66.
Basta na!
10 seconds shot.
10 to shoot.
Foul
20 seconds.
out. 38.
18
51.
seconds.
4 minutes 36.
Stop
Foul
that.
number
18 seconds. 18 seconds.
13.
Go, go! Taon nyo! Taon nyo!
Fourth personal foul number 13. Apat na yung number
16
13
seconds.
ng Alriga.
Pag wala pa!
Bonus shot.
Pag wala pa! Pag wala Foul! Foul!
15 seconds.
Wala pa! Wala pa!
14 seconds
Third
to shoot.
personal foul. Warning for penalty.
10 seconds shot.
14 seconds. Karama ball. Dalawa na.
Ano?
Isa na lang.
53 time.
Gawin mo, ha? Dapat, ba't ba?
Batang Karama. Isa pa siya.
Lapitan mo, ha? Lapitan mo doon.
Tigisang timeout pa kayo ha, coach. Pareho ha, both teams. Tigisang timeout pa.
Baliktad, ano? Ikaw mo, tetebol eh. Ano, oh, tama, si Mike at saka si Louie. Go. Bakit tayo mo?
Back to the ball game. Both teams are
Back to
penalty
the
na.
ball game, 38-53.
Pipito ako sa kabila.
Both teams penalty ha.
Sigurado. Si Reyna. Si Mike.
14 seconds.
Mike Torres.
14 seconds.
Si Louie magte-table sa kabila.
Ay, connect kaya ng 3 points do. Oy! Pasok.
10 seconds.
Libre, ganun.
Follow 91. Penalty. Tatlo na ang 91. 10 seconds. Penalty tayo.
Foul number 99. 1-4 penalty.
Second and last throw. 10 seconds remaining. 4-point lead by Batang Rasidia. 5-point lead. 10 seconds.
Foul
5. 4 seconds. 4 seconds.
Oy!
foul
Sayang!
number 18.
1.8. 1.8.
Penalty na, sige na.
2 points, ay connect.
1.8.
Basket. 38-54.
64-67.
Belarmino.
Wala pa. 2 shots. Point 8.
15 points. 15.
Yan na, 0.8. 0.8
Shot
na lang.
left 10
0.8
seconds.
na lang yun eh. 0.8 na lang, wala na.
2 minutes 8
Na-shoot ba yung free
seconds.
throw? Na-shoot?
Last 2 minutes.
Congratulations! Batang Rasidia.
68-64.
3.